Welcome back. Now, ConvertKit has integrations with certain cloud-based services. And there are two ways to find those services. One of the ways you can find them is by going to your Automations tab and then going to this link that says Integrations. You'll see those integrations here in this screen. Another way to see the integrations is to go and do a web search. And if you go to ConvertKit/integrations, you'll be able to see certain integrations that will work with ConvertKit, and you can search for them by their function. You can also search for them by name using the search box. For example, if you're looking for integrations for e-commerce, you can click this link that says e-commerce. You'll be able to find the integrations to work with here in this area. For example, if you were to go to fulfillment, you'll see here that there's going to be an integration here for Wishlist Member, which is a WordPress plugin. Now, going back to the Automations tab, one of the things you're going to note is that all of the integrations are not present on this page. So if you want a true reflection of the automations, you will need to go to convertkit.com/integrations. Now, you do want to be signed in, and signing in from this page will not necessarily take you through the integration. In this case, you're actually going to come back to your automations area. You're going to click on Teachable. What you're going to do is you're then going to write in your Teachable site domain and then click Next. Once you're connected successfully, you'll then click Next. You'll then need to take this ConvertKit URL. You'll need to paste it into your webhook settings for your Teachable site. Now, this is going to be a case where you're going to need to upgrade your plan with Teachable in order to use the webhook inside of ConvertKit. And so every integration is going to work slightly different. Teachable works only with the advanced plan. However, some will work directly with the basic version. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.